Very good day, everyone. It's Kevin Mitchell from Professional Pricing Society here, and I have a few quick updates from the PPS team for January. First of all, and very importantly, a very happy belated New Year to you and yours with best wishes for happy pricing in 2022. And the PPS team has a lot of things going on right now. First of all, I do want to mention that it is around this time every year that we do our salary and demographic survey. PPS has done a salary and demographic survey every year since 1998, so over 20 years of doing surveys. And our surveys are used by companies across the globe in order to set pricing salaries and bonuses and basically to get pricing people the compensation that they deserve in order for doing their great job. So make sure to take advantage of that. All information is anonymous and combined, and we don't keep any personal information at all. So you can feel safe knowing that. And also, as a specific bonus, in order to get great participation this year, we are offering a $1,000 donation to a local food bank of your choice for one selected winner in order to give back to our communities and get the most information that we can. So make sure to check out the PPS salary and demographic survey and make sure to fill that one out. Also, for the January newsletter for PPS attendees, we've got some wonderful information. Very happy that Stephen Forth is back in our newsletter. He's got a great article about pricing metrics. And Robert Ribchewich has some information on psychological price points and the very interesting phenomenon that's going on right now with the Dollar Tree charging $1.25 for a lot of items. Ed Heskins has a great article about 4 expert tips on how you can approach pricing from a marketing perspective. And Rosalind Hunter has some good information for all of us on competition-based pricing. And our good friend Lunley Spielman from Philips has some great information about the perfect price formula. So make sure to take advantage of that. Also, I've talked to a lot of people and gotten a lot of questions about the next PPS event. Our next great conference will be the 2022 Spring Pricing Conference in Chicago. Great city, great hotel, great location, and also a great agenda. Make sure to check out pricingsociety.com or your email for more information. And I look forward to seeing everyone in person coming up this spring, April 26th and 27th for workshops, April 28th and 29th for conference keynotes, breakouts, special events, and lots of networking goodies. So I look forward to seeing everyone soon. And we'll have more updates, but please reach out to me if you have any questions. And I look forward to checking back with everyone coming up here pretty soon. But thank you very much.